Okay, dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and we are in matrices. Uh, 4 classes we have finished until now. This is fifth class. In this class, we will try to solve question number 21 to 25. Okay. See what they have given in question number 21. If A, B, C are different and see this is determinant. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A cube minus 1, B cube minus 1, C cube minus 1 equal to 0. Then, 4 options they have given. What is the correct option like? This question is asked in MSET 1997. Let us proceed further, see how we are going to solve this question. Okay, see how I am converting this determinant. Observe carefully how I am converting. Okay, as per property I am converting. You see, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube minus, see how I am converting. Minus I am keeping, why? Because minus 1 is there. Again shall I write like this? A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Now this time only 1, 1, 1. Is it correct? Okay, 1, 1, 1. A cube, B cube, C cube is in different determinant. Minus 1 is different. Minus 1 means C plus you can write and minus we can send, or else minus take common and 1, 1, 1. Is it correct or not? We have got one property. Because of that property we have made like this. Okay, now observe carefully. From here I am taking out A, B, C. Okay, observe carefully what I am doing. That is equal to what I am taking A, B, C. See, from first row A, from second row B, from third row C I am taking out. A, B, C is going to come. Okay, see, A, B, C if I take out, then here 1 will be there. 1, 1, 1. Okay, A, B, C will be there. A, B, C. A square, B square, C square will be there. A square, B square, C square. Okay, minus. Here you don't do anything. You see what I am doing now. This determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square has come. See, I want to make a second determinant also like this. But how can I make? See, first what I am doing, I am sending these two. Why? Because see, this minus 1 should come in first place. Sorry, 1 should come in first column. See, column 1 to column 3 to column 2 first I will bring and I will make this as plus. Why? Because already minus is there, that is why I am going to make it as plus. You see what I have done. Plus 1 I have made. Okay. ABC will be like this only. Why? Because you cannot change. You can change also, but double symbol you have to make. ABC. Now A square will not be there. 1, 1, 1 will come here. Okay. 1, 1, 1. This A square, B square, C square will be in column 3. A square, B square, C square. Okay. Now close the determinant. You understand this? Okay. See, still I want to make. Why? Because see, like this I want to make means see again this 2. Column 1 and column 2. I am interchanging. Okay. See what I am writing. Okay, ABC that is equal to ABC you keep like this only, and this determinant you keep like this only. Why? Because you are going to make like this determinant, that one also. Okay, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Now you see, these two columns I am interchanging means you have to keep minus again. Already plus is there, you keep minus. Minus I am keeping. I am interchanging. Now 1, 1, 1 will come in column 1 and A, B, C will go in column 2 and A square, B square, C square is already there in column 3. Okay. Now exactly both determinants are same. Minus is there but both determinants are same, but for this determinant multiplication ABC is there. Now you take this determinant as common. ABC minus 1 will come, that's all. ABC minus 1 into Okay, into this determinant you write 1 1 1 a b c a square b square c square. But observe carefully, this value is 0 they have given. Now you write 0. That is equal to 0. Understand this? Okay? Yes. Now one thing I will tell you. This determinant is multiplying. You keep bracket ABC minus 1 into that determinant. ABC minus 1 into that determinant. If you send this determinant inside, ABC into this determinant minus of this determinant. ABC into this determinant minus of this determinant. Okay. Now what I want to say, see something A into B is equal to 0 means A is equal to 0 divided by this determinant. That means ABC minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, definitely. Write down. ABC minus 1 equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Why? Because you are going to send divide this. 0 divided by that determinant is 0. Then what will happen? ABC is equal to 1. This result is there? Yes, is there. You see, second result. ABC is equal to 1 is your answer. Okay? You understand this question? Okay? Let us go for 22nd question. See, 22nd question. If A1, A2 up to An forms a GB, geometric progression, and AI, suffix I, A1, A2 like, that suffix is greater than 0. That means it should not be 0. Greater than 0 means from 1 onwards it will start. Never be 0. Greater than 0. For all I is greater than or equal to 1. That means I start from 1 and greater than 1. Both are same. Okay? Then you see determinant they are giving in logarithmic form. Log of am, base am, log of a m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5, m plus 6, m plus 7, m plus 8. Okay, see, before proceeding, first of all, basic geometric progression we will see. Why? Because that is very important. See, A1, A2 is there here. See, geometric progression, this progression, how it will come? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, like that it will come. Okay? Now you see, what will be the, see, here A will be first term A1, but what will be R? Common ratio, A2 by A1, that is equal to A3 by A2, that is equal to A4 by A3, like that it will be there. Okay? See, if this is R, then what about A3 by A1? A3 by A1. A3 by A1 means that is equal to A2 by A1 into A3 by A2. Okay, you see A2 going to get cancelled. A3 by A1. That means what is happening here? R into R, that is equal to R square. That is the logic here. Okay, 3 minus 1. R to the power, that power. That means see A to the power of 5 by A to the power of 1 means what will come? Sorry, A to the power, A suffix 5 by A suffix 1 means see 5 minus 1, 4. R to the power of 4. Okay, if AM plus 3 by AM means what will come? See here plus 3 is there. That is why what will happen? See, R power 3 will come. Why? Because m plus 3 minus m, that's all. 3 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay? M plus 3 minus m. M is going to cancel. R cube, that will come. See, that is useful for us. You see, m plus 3 is there, m is there. If you divide this automatically, okay, m plus 6, that is required for us. Okay? This is the analogy. Now let us proceed further. Remaining all we know, okay, basic logarithmic principles. If you subtract, then automatically division you have to do. If you multiply, then you have to add. Sorry, for addition, multiplication and addition, subtraction and division in logarithmic series we know very well. Okay, now see, I am writing here and I am doing here. What I want to do, see, let it be like this only. First row, second row, minus first row I am doing. Log of am plus 3 minus am plus 6 minus a3. That means r2 minus r1, r3 minus r2 I want to do. I am writing here, but I am doing here. You see what I am writing? See, R2 I am changing. What I am changing? R2 minus R1, comma. R3 also I am changing. What I am changing? R3 minus R2. Okay? Those both you observe carefully how I am writing here. That means you see R1 is changing? No, it is not changing. Write down. That is equal to log of AM plus 1 log of AM plus 2. Okay? Now you see R2 is changing. See this minus this. Shall I jump one step? Why? Because we know I am writing here, you see, log of AM plus 3 minus log of AM is equal to, see, log M minus log N, log M by N, log of AM plus 3 divided by AM. Okay, first step I will write that. Next step I will write this as R cube. Why? Because see, AM plus 3 by AM is equal to R cube, it is going to come. Okay, let me write first this one. Log of AM plus 3, log of AM plus 3 divided by AM plus 1 divided by M plus 1, log of AM plus 4 divided by AM plus 1, log of AM plus 5 divided by AM plus 2. Okay, this is second row over. Now go for third row also. M plus 6 by M plus 3. Log of AM plus 6 divided by AM plus 3. Log of AM plus 7 by AM plus 4. Log of AM plus 8 by AM plus 5. Okay, close now. We will do here remaining. Okay. First row we did not change anything, but we know AM plus 3 by AM means M plus 3 minus M. 3, R power 3 will come. Why? Because this is geometric progression. Okay? Write down. That is equal to, first row you write same, log AM plus 1, log AM plus 2. Okay? This is okay. But here you see log R cube. Log R cube, 4 minus 1, 3, log R cube. Log R cube, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, log R cube. Log R cube, why? Because 7 minus 4. Log R cube, 8 minus 5. Okay, now close the determinant. Now our basic knowledge says that if any two rows are having same elements or two columns are having same elements, the determinant value is 0. Is equal to 0. You understand? Why? Because if you want to do, see, same minus same, 0. Same minus same, 0. Same minus same, 0. Okay? This is the answer for your 22nd question, 0. This is JEE 2005 question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 23. Let A be C such that B into A plus C is not equal to 0. Okay. If, see, two determinants they have given, A minus B, C, A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1, A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1 plus this determinant they have given. You see third row, if you observe carefully, minus 1 to the power of n plus 2 into A column, minus 1 whole power n plus 1 reduced, n plus 2, n plus 1, n minus 1 power, B means B, C means C. This is equivalent to 0. Then the value of n they are asking, here n is there, that value they are asking. See, this is also JEE question only. See, JEE normally direct they don't ask you, like what we can say, thinking question they are going to ask you. Some questions we will learn from JEE also, it will be useful. Okay? Any even integer, any odd integer, any integer or 0 like they are asking. Okay, which one is correct like. Okay, now proceed further. what I am doing, you see, first you don't change anything, this first determinant. This determinant, according to this determinant, you change and take common. Okay. See, for doing this determinant as like this determinant, minus 1 power n plus 1, n plus 1, n, this is extra is there. What we will do, I will take minus 1 power n as common. Why? Because when you are going to take common, least one you have to take common. Here minus 1 power n is there. Okay. See what I am doing now. That is equal to a will be there, minus b will be there, c will be there. Okay. A plus 1 will be there, b plus 1 will be there, c minus 1 will be there, a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1 will be there. I am not touching anything here. But you see, plus, okay, plus you keep like this only. Okay, now you see, minus 1 power n from this row, I am taking common. You see, minus 1 power n I have taken common. See, from this row only I have taken common. That means these first two rows are same. Write down first two rows. A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1, A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1. Now hold. See, minus 1 power n you have already taken, means here only C will be there. Okay, write down C. Okay. Minus 1 power n you have taken means minus 1 power 1 will be there. Minus 1 power 1. Minus 1 power 1 means minus. Minus of b means minus b. Write down minus b. Okay. Minus 1 power n you have taken. Minus 1 power 2 will be there. Minus 1 power 2 means even. Plus 1. Plus 1 into a. Write a. Stop. Why? Because see, this is equivalent to 0. That 0 we will equate last. RHS. Now wait and see. Compare both of them. See, here a minus b c as a column, here a minus b c as a row. That means you have to transpose the determinant. We can transpose, you need not what we can say, do anything, minus plus like that. Okay, you can transpose, value will be same. Okay, see now I am transposing this. That means first row is going to become first column. Okay, transposing, you may be knowing. See, still I am not making any changes in the first determinant. Two determinants are there, addition of two determinants like you think. Okay, see what I am doing now. First determinant I am keeping same, minus b, c, a plus 1, b plus 1, c minus 1, a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1, close. Now wait, here plus minus 1 whole power n, okay. Okay, I am transposing. This row is going to become first column, first row. That means a plus 1, b plus 1, c minus 1. Second row, second column, a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1. Third row, third column, a minus b, c. Close. Okay. Now compare both. If you compare both, see here a plus 1 will be in second column, a minus b will be in first column. But here a minus b, c in third column. What I want to do, first I will make this. Okay, see what I am doing. First I will make this column shifting. Okay, see this C3 should come to C1. C3 should come to C1. See, C3 will come C2, then it comes to C1. Okay, you understand? Why? Because one step I want to jump. This first came to C2, C3 to C2 minus, C3 to C1 again plus. Okay, that means see when it comes to C2 automatically this will be in C2 minus C3. This is in C3, that's all. Now see here only C minus 1 will be in first, but again you are changing. That means see, two times if you change automatically this is going to come here and this is going to come here, this is going to come last. Okay, you understand now? Both will be same then. That means this symbol you need not change two times. Once for all you can do. Okay, we'll see what I am doing now. A minus b, c, a plus 1, b plus 1, c minus 1, a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1. Close. See this plus I am making, minus 1 power n I am making, Same like it is coming. See, first one time, second time, plus. One time minus, another time plus. Write down A minus B, C. Okay? Copy this. A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1. A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1. Close. Now you tell me both determinants are same. Then you take this determinant as common. Okay? I am rubbing the question. I will do top. See, question means these options I am not rubbing. Why? Because options are required for me. Which one is correct like? Okay? That is why options I am not rubbing. Only question I have rubbed. Okay, now proceed. I am taking this determinant as common. If I take this determinant as common, 1, yes, 1 plus, write down. 1 plus minus 1 power n is common, then determinant this. A minus B, C, A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1, A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1. Is it okay? Okay, see, if you send inside automatically, into 1 means 1 time, minus 1 into n, into 1, minus 1 power n into this thing, this determinant has come. Okay, now this is equal to 0 they have given, that is equal to 0 given. Okay, see, multiplication A into B is equal to 0 means A is equal to 0 divided by B. That means see, 1 plus minus 1 power n is equal to 0. Definitely. Why? Because this has gone and divided by 0. Something divided by 0 means 0. Now you see, minus 1 whole power n is equal to minus 1. This you send that side. Now you tell me logically, n is positive, even or odd. If n is even, minus 1 power even is positive will come. If n is odd, minus 1 power n is equal to negative will come. Any odd integer. Okay, this is the logical question. JEE questions like this only it will be there. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 24. This is answer 2009 question. If one of the roots of 3, 5, x, 7, x, 7, x, 5, 3, this determinant equal to 0 is minus 10. That means see, if you find the determinant delta, it will be coming in equation form. Why? Because x are there, x. In equation form it comes. That equation equal to 0. One root they have given minus 10. They are asking, see, they are asking another 2 roots means this may be cubic equation. This may be cubic equation. That is why they are asking 2 more roots. Let us find why, because this is a combination of determinants and what we can say, theory of equation or whatever it may be, quadratic equation type question. Okay, we have to get all these things. We have to get the knowledge of this also. Okay, let us proceed further then. Okay, find the determinant with the equation. If you equate it to 0, automatically it is going to become equation. Let us find. You see, 3 into delta is equal to 3 into 3x minus 35. Okay, I can keep parenthesis as enough. Minus 5 plus minus plus, that I need not explain you again. Okay, now you see 5, 21 minus 7x plus x into 35 minus x square. See here x cube will come. Okay, 35 minus x square. Okay, now this I am putting here 3 equals and this equal to 0. Why? Because you have to make it equal to 0, then only it is going to become equation. Okay. Okay, let us proceed further then. See, 9x minus 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 105 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 125 plus 5 sevens are 35x plus 35x minus x cube is equal to 0. Okay. Now little bit you make this what we can say minus x cube comma I am keeping minus x cube. Okay. Is there any x square? See, x square is not there, x cube is there, x square is not there. You see, 35 plus 35, 70 plus 9, 79 plus 79x. Okay. See, x cube over x also over. Now only these two have left. 210, yes, minus 210. Minus 210 is equal to 0. What we do? See, naturally I want to cancel, what we can say, multiply with minus 1, x cube, highest this 1. I want to make plus. See what will happen if I multiply with minus x cube minus 79x plus 210 equal to 0. See, this is the equation. Okay, now wait. See, one root already they have given minus 10. Shall I write if minus 10 is one root, x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to minus 10 will come. Okay, now see, for remaining two roots what I do, I will divide this equation with x plus 10, that's all. Okay, let me do it. You see what I am doing, with x plus 10 I am dividing x cube minus 79x plus 210. Okay, see, x cube is there, x is there, x square, x cube. Okay, see, x square, again you see, plus 10x square, x cube plus 10x square. Okay, see, x cube going to get cancelled out, minus how to do. See here, x square is not there, that is why minus 10x square you have to write, minus 10x square. X square is not there, 0 minus 10x square, 10x minus 10x square. Next you see minus 79x will come like this only. Okay. Now you tell me minus 10x square is there, means see, you have to multiply x with minus 10 x. Minus 10x into x, minus 10x square, write down minus 10x square. Afterwards you have to multiply this also, minus 100x. Okay. Yes. See, when you do minus, automatically these are going to get cancelled out. But here it is going to become plus 100 minus 79. 21? Yes, water land ratio of world. Okay. 21. 21 is plus. Why? Because 100 is plus here. 21x will come. But see, 210 also will come. 210. Okay, next. Now it is easy. Why? Because x is there. 21 you write plus 21. Then 21 into x, 21x, 21 into 10, 210. 0. That means your quadratic equation for remaining two roots is this one. One root they have given minus 10, remaining two roots will come if you solve this equation. This is very easy, quadratic equation solving. Okay, let me solve this. You see, x square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. See, 1 into 21, 21. Minus 10 has to come. 7 into 3 is 21, minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Okay, let us proceed. X square minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. X is common, that's all. X minus 7 will be there. Here also x minus 7 equal to 0 you have to write. I am removing this. Why? Because we are getting confusion. Okay. Now you see, x square minus 7x. Okay. Minus 3x has to come. Minus 3 if you write, minus 3x plus 21. Okay. Okay. Now x minus 3 into x minus 7 equal to 0. That means x will be 3, x will be 7. See, remaining two roots means 3, 7 only. All roots means again minus 10, 3, 7. All will come 3. Okay. Now answer is 3 and 7. Take this, we will go for last question of this class. Okay. Okay, see, 25th question, observe carefully, or we can say, understand it carefully. If k is greater than 1 and the determinant of the matrix A square, that means see, k is greater than 1 and also it is equivalent to the determinant of matrix A square. You see, A they have given matrix A square you find. After finding A square, that matrix you have to make it determinant. Then that determinant is going to become K. Okay? Then what they are asking, then what is the value of alpha modulus? This is not determined, modulus of alpha like they are asking. Okay, see, how can you find alpha? Why? Because alpha inside it is there. K is greater than 1 they have given, but we will see. See, in terms of K only you have to write this value. That is why it is easy, not that much difficult. Okay, alpha value they are asking, but in terms of K only they are asking. What is the value of alpha? Whether it is K square 1 by K or 1 by K square like. Okay, see, first what I do, I will find A square. Unless you find A square, you cannot do further. Okay, let me find A square. You see, I am putting comma. A square is equal to, you see, K 0 0 K alpha 0 alpha K. Okay, another matrix. Why? Because square means again you have to write now K 0 0 K alpha 0 alpha K. Okay, now 3 by 3 matrix it is. Little bit carefully how to do. Horizontal line, vertical lines, arrows you make. Then proceed further then. Okay, I am writing here, you see. K into K square plus 0. That means, see, plus 0 shall I write? No, not required. Then go here. K into K alpha, K square alpha K alpha square plus K alpha square. Okay, plus 0. Wait a minute. K square 0 0. Okay, then K square alpha K alpha square 0. Okay, 0. Alpha square I will write properly. Okay, second also over. Now you see K alpha K square alpha square both plus K square alpha square K alpha plus K alpha. Okay, now go for second. See, 0 0 0. This is 0 completely. Now again 0. But alpha square 0, only alpha square is there. Alpha square, write down alpha square. Third one, 0 K alpha square. See, 0 K alpha square K square alpha plus K square alpha. Okay, now go for third. 0 0 0. This is 0. 0 0 0. This is also 0. 0 0 but K square. Okay, now see, these are both different, but here you see K alpha 2K alpha will come here. Okay, let me check once again. K alpha K square alpha square K alpha. Yes, sir. Okay, 2K alpha. Determinant you have to make it. Determinant. See, in determinant form I am writing first K square 0 0. Write down K square 0 0. Okay, K square alpha K alpha square. K square alpha plus K alpha square. Okay. K alpha you can take common but not required. Alpha square 0. Alpha square 0. See, K square alpha square but 2K alpha. 2K alpha is there. 2K alpha plus K square alpha square. Determinant form I am writing. Okay. K alpha square K square alpha. This is also different. K alpha square plus K square alpha K square. Okay. Now see, determinant you have to find. K is the determinant of matrix X square. This is the matrix A square and this is determinant value you find. Why? Because see, you find through C1. Why? Because only one value you have to take, remaining all zeros. See what I am doing, K square into you see, K square alpha square minus 0. Okay, again 0, 0 you need not do. Okay, you see, minus 0 you need not consider. K to the power of 4 alpha square, that is equal to K to the power of 4 alpha square. Okay, see, what is the value of this? K greater than 1 and the determinant of the matrix A square okay, let it be. Okay, now you tell me, as per our question, K is the determinant of A square. That means the determinant of A square, this is equal to K. You think. Then what will happen? You send K this side, this will be 1. R is divided by K. That means you see K cube alpha square is equal to 1. Okay, see, some mistake I have written. Why? Because see, if K is greater than 1 and the determinant of matrix A square is K square, like you have to write. E is K square. Why? Because see, K square value is the determinant of A square. Okay, then here K square will come. Some mistake has happened. Okay? Okay. K square value is the determinant of A square. Determinant of A square value is this one, K square value. Okay, now K square you cancel out. K square if you cancel out here, 2 will be there. Okay? Alpha square is equal to 1 by K square. Okay? Alpha will be plus or minus 1 by K. Modulus of alpha will be 1 by K. Why? Because they are asking modulus of alpha. Modulus alpha will be 1 by K. Okay? 1 by K means what is the answer? This is the answer. You have to take. Here some mistake happened, you correct it. Is K square. Okay? Okay. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.